In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager right away. And click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, or tap on any of them to find an app that you wish to manage instead. Either way, after tapping on one of your apps under one of those sections, click one of those options like Allow Only While in Use and go back. Or, if you wish to manage an app, hit See all permissions at the bottom, select one of those and manage it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!